Woo! Hey, no! Tape! Tape! I was gonna run back in. All right, heads up real quick, bud. Heads up. You got something right here.
Oh, you go for it.
Oh, my bad. My bad, I'm sorry. Sorry. Go low, check.
I just shot that dude in the crotch. I feel so good.
Yeah, I'm going around this side. Oh, it's a bad spot.
What's it looking like?
Okay, come up. Oh. Alright, heads up. Oh, it's friendly. Damn it, that's the guy I didn't want you to shoot. Watch that way now. I don't want you to shoot. Alright, let's go. You can hold that down. Stay right behind me. I'm going right in.
Come on, man. No shooting that time.
I'm going right in, Chris. Hey, that's cheating. He's right behind you.
Hey, I got it.
I can't shoot you.
Hey, you can't shoot the man. Man.
Hey, can you block me now?
Oh.
Hey, lean back for me, ref. Nothing? Alright.
Yeah, this one.
Right in front of the ref, hey? I'm like this. All on the first guy. Second guy got me, like, because he just came around after because that guy kept shooting. What was up top looking like?
I don't know.
Wanna go? Watch it.
I ran.
Kaboom! Should be good. Hey, we're all the way in their spawn right now.
We are?
Yeah, I was just up there. Watch left.
Let's go get the car.
You got me. What?
I couldn't shoot it.
We're red. Fuck. That was a good kill. Yeah. I think I got between all those curtains. That was sick. Oh, he's running curtains! Oh, those are 2 refs. Oh, I didn't? My brother's up here? Yeah. Oh, he just died. My brother died, yeah. Heads up. Oh no, I'm gonna go right here. Shoot at the wall real quick. Alright. This is boring. I don't want to be right here like that. I want to get up more. I don't know if there's...
Right behind.
Fuck. I think I got one. That's not a guy, is it? That's a headshot. Come on. I've hit this guy 4 times. You can play that game, buddy. Watch stairs. Don't. Floor solid.
No, he went and he talked to me.
Huh?
He talked to me. He
Who
was
is?
like asking, like, oh, where are you?
They're gonna do that. Just floor solid. This guy's not calling it.
No.
Follow me. I want to go diner.
I'm telling you.
Don't shine your light. Where? Hey, I want to go right here. Oh, he's right there. Heads up, he's right behind the 2 barrels behind the Subaru.